Oh yeah. Hayi. Oh qhawe nangu nakuya. Oh bamba.
Nangu lo ukuthi lo wathutshulwa amashamani. Babhele kwena.
Futhi awukho umbuzo esiwesabayo thina ngoba awekho amanga siwakhuluma. Ubuze ngokunjalo njengoba isiteshi sakho sikuthumile. Ukuthi osuzo
Urathi bangishisa
la into kuyami.
yabani fishane. Induku yami.
Induku kamncane. Ayiphethe. Nazi induku bayidayisa lapha balethe.
Lethi induku nofana.
Balethe induku siyi-advertise. Let us advertise induku wena ndoda. Ufuna uku-advertise le induku la.
Shesha.
Uphi umbhobho?
Izodla wena njalo.
Hayi wena uyahlupha ukubana namathayisi ungene umjondolo yilokhu uzasemjondolo kakhulu. Uyahlupha yabona ubuginqa amathayi kanje uthi ukuthi kudideti wena uzosibangela inkinga. Ngafuna nje ngathi singafaka ko-silence ke bafowethu. Sonke safaka ko-silence amafoni. Semendleleni. Laba ezethu kuthiwa simela endleleni.
Awani. Abendaba.
Uyayivubela impela impi uyayivubela
Shono.
sisho ngempi uhutulizempi usikisa uhaha
Shono.
sisho ngempi uhutulizempi usikisa uhaha
Yonini.
izinyoni
Yonini.
izinyoni
Yonini.
izinyoni
Yonini.
izinyoni
Ukaka.
izinyoni
Ukaka.
izinyoni
Ukhozi.
izinyoni
Ukhozi.
izinyoni
Usuthu. Tabe.
Usuthu.
Tabe.
Usuthu.
Tabe.
Usuthu.
Tabe.
Usuthu.
Emgugundo vasongo njalo.
Hawuyapho ngaphethe sebhamu
Vasongo njalo zulu.
hawuyapho uzosala phansi
Emgugundo vasongo njalo.
hawuyapho ngaphethe sebhamu
Vasongo njalo zulu.
hawuyapho uzosala phansi
Elithathe nimikonto.
elithathe nimikhonto nibambe niphakamisele phezulu mangenjalo uzosala phansi
Elithathe nimikonto.
elithathe nimikhonto nibambe niphakamisele phezulu mangenjalo uzosala phansi
Emgugundo
akashongo njalo kandaba uyapho ngaphethe sebhamu
vasongo njalo kandaba.
hawuyapho uzosala phansi
Emgugundo
akashongo njalo kandaba uyapho ngaphethe sebhamu
vasongo njalo zulu.
hawuyapho uzosala phansi
Yembi imikonto.
elithathe nimikhonto nibambe niphakamisele phezulu mangenjalo uzosala phansi.
Siyabonga kakhulu kanza kwethu. Sibonga kakhulu to all media houses abakwazile ukuthi babe ingxenye yesimemo sethu ukuthi sibe khona la eJP eGoli eJohannesburg eGauteng province. Njoba sazi ke ukuthi iyona sizindamnotho wezwe laseNingizimu Afrika la iGoli. Ngakho ke inkinga ezila iGoli ziningi ziyesabeka kakhulu futhi nabo kufika abangekho emthethweni abagcwele iGoli bayizigidigidi baningi kakhulu. Lokho ama states akukho lokhu kungamanga. Ngakho ke nganza kwethu sizodedelana nomfowethu uphakela umthakathi umfoka ndabandaba sikwazi ukwendlala ukusukela osukwini lakusasa njoba kwanqunywa umhla ka-30 June 2026 ukuthi sicela ukuthi abokufika babe bengasekho eNingizimu Afrika baphume baphele bonke bokufika abangenawo amaphepha njengoba kuyatholakala ukuthi iningi labo vele abanawo amaphepha aqondileyo nabathi aqondile bawagwazele banama home affairs endlini zabo mayiverifywa awasabeli home affairs abantu labo ufuze ngabe bagcwele emajele ngicela ukuthethela umfokandabandaba endlala inkulumo injoba injalo bese nami ngiyanezezela lapha nalapha ngengane zakwethu sibonga kakhulu ukuyihlupha kwenu ngathi ke singelutho singabantu nje baseningizimu Afrika abakhathalele izwe labo. Ngiyabonga.
Ndabezitha Macengwane, ngiyathokoza kakhulu mfowethu, ngicela ukubingelela kakhulu kwabe indaba bamahlelo ehlukene bonke abathatha ithuba labo basondela kulokhu kucela kwethu kwanamhlanje. Ngibingelele ngenkulu inhlonipho kumfowethu umfazi ogcwele umfoko amakhanya, ngibingelele kumfowethu uNtombela eduze kwami, ngibingelele kumfowethu uDlakadla ngale sandleni sami sokudla. Sibingelele zonke ke insizwa ezikhona, siyayibona insizwa nazi zikhona emva kwabe indaba nomne wethu lapha ukhona ubaba uMpungosi. Siyathokoza kakhulu ke. Cha, ingane zakwethu lo msebenzi masuqala sawuqala ngokuthula, sawuqhubha ngokuthula. Umkhizo usuyezwela ejazini kulabo kufanele uzwele kubo. Uzwela nje siqhubeka senza ngokuthula. Uma ngabe ke lapha kwaZulu kwenziwa izinto ke sifuna nokufundisa nabo bonke ke abantu ke ngendlela yethu thina esilamula ngayo izimpi nangendlela esenza ngayo izinto ngokuthula kuze kufunde nezinye inhlanga. Thina siyakwazi ukuhlala phansi kufe umuntu, sihlale phansi kukhulunywe kulungiswe leyo nto kwedlule efile umuntu engekho. Manje ke siyakwazi futhi ukuthi uma sifuna ukuzwakala sikwenze nje ngenhlonipho, sikwenze awuthi mawufuna ukukhuluma nobaba wakho kukhona into ongajabule ngayo. Uhulumeni ufana nobaba wethu. Awukwazi ukuthi uma uyokhuluma nobaba wakho kukhona into ongajabule ngayo bese ungena nezivalo endlini, bese ukhuluma umile, bese ukhuluma ulwa ungasahloniphi. Sifuna ukufundisa uhulumeni ukuthi sonke lesisikhathi sithule, besinikeza yena ithuba nje. Hayi ukuthi besingazi, besinika yena ithuba ukuthi wendoda besilokhu sisho. Abanye baze bayeka ngisho ukuvota Macengwane, bayeka ngisho ukuvota abantu ngoba bethi bazama ukumkhombisa uhulumeni ukuthi wehulumeni lento oyenzayo kithi ayilungile. Manje ke sithi kulokhu ake simkhombisa uhulumeni ngokuthi sihlangane singamapolitiki ahlukene, siqhamuke inhlanganweni ezehlukene, sihlangane simkhombisa ichabo. Siyaqonda phela ukuthi masuke siyovotela umuntu eyovotela iqembu lakhe, usuke nje votela iqembu lakhe, kodwa egcineni singabantu base South Africa. Lokhu nje sikwenzayo akuqondene ngqo nabantu bokufika, kuqondene nohulumeni. Sikhuthaza yena ukuthi wehulumeni nanka ama drugs kulela dolobha, wehulumeni nakho kwenziwa ama IDs angekho emthethweni lapha, wehulumeni nakho kwenza ubugebengu lapha. Lento iyingozi ezweni, iyingozi naseyinganeni zethu. Ngakho ke yonke lento esiyenzile kuze kufika namhlanje siyenze ngokuthula. Namhlanje ke njoba sila sizothi ake sibalayeni ngoba kukhona phakathi kwazi izikhulu zikahulumeni eyifisa ngathi ngabe kusuka udlame. Ingakho umuzwa omunye umholi ethi hayi aba document ufuna kusuka udlame ngoba uyazi ukuthi nizothukuthela. Ingakho uzwa ukuthi ethi nawe awuseyena wase South Africa ngoba nawe awunayo into ekufakazelayo ukuthi ungase South Africa. Ubulimo obungakanani lobo ukuthi ungafika ube umholi ube in leadership in the National Assembly for more than 30 years and then uvuke kusasa uthi wena hayi kufanele kuhlalwe phansi. Yini efuna ukuhlalelwa phansi? Uma kuthiwa silandela umthetho, imuphi lo mthetho kufanele siwulandele? The same umthetho o compromise amaphoyisa ethu, the same umthetho abuse amaphoyisa ethu. Amaphoyisa wakwazi ukusebenza, izigebengu zinamandla ngaphezulu kwamaphoyisa. Sizobuyisa isithunzi samaphoyisa thina, sizobuyisa isithunzi samasosha thina, sizobuyisa isithunzi samadoda akuhulumeni angayithandi lento eyenzakalayo kodwa angazi ukuthi azokwenza njani ngoba abanjwe ngama mandate. Sizothi kamandla awabuyele kubantu, asiwaceli lamandla, siyawathatha siwabuyisa ngakithi. Yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani ozoba upresident, yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani ozoba ikhansela, yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani osiphathele igoli, yithi sizosho ukuthi ubani osiphathele iTheku, osiphathele iCape Town, osiphathele iSouth Africa. Ayizukuphathwa yinoma ubani ozobekwe emabhilidini amakhulu agadwe ngama security amakhulu, yena ezakhe ingane they are not exposed to drugs. Uma ngabe ufuna ukubona ukuthi lento esisebenzayo iserious kangakanani, hamba uyobuka izingane lezi ezimhambima amaphara. Ubusu uyayibuza wena ukuthi if ingane neminyaka ewu14 already doing prostitution, eyakhe ingane na14 ufila kanjani ngayo yona? Manje ke sizothi kubantu bakithi lokhu sikwenze kuze kufike lapha namhlanje, lapha uzwa abaholi bonke sebephawula, sikwenze ngokuthula. Silokhu saqala sikwenza ngokuthula. Sizothi kubantu bakithi kusasa umhlaka 1 i-countdown iyaqala. Asijiki lapho. I-countdown iyaqala. Umhla ka-30 awulona ilanga lesigameko. Umhla ka-30 is not an event. Umhla ka-30 is a date by which all foreigners, all illegal foreigners must have left the country. See, we are calling on all ambassadors from different African countries to come and fetch their people. Because by 30th, we need to start other programs. Afanele South Africa, nakhuluma nge-South Africa, angabathinta abantu bokufika. Nobody is going to die. No looting is going to happen. No violence is going to be incited. But we are calling on our brothers and sisters to say, my brothers and sisters, respect the peaceful way that we are using to ask you to leave the country. Because asifuni ukuzobuza ukuthi we gave you 6 months, why are you still here? We don't want to ask that question after the 30th. We do not want to ask that question. We want to say, we want to understand ukuthi okhona la is providing a scarce skill, okhona la is here on an educational visa, okhona la ukhona ngezinto ezisemthethweni kuphela. All illegal foreigners, even in buildings like this, on the 30th, we will be in these buildings. We will be checking what's happening in these buildings. Because you can't call Johannesburg a headquarters of African economy. Ufice ibhilidi lifama windi kanjena kulenga mapitikoti, kulenga maphinifa, kulenga yonke into. We can't have towns like this. Because this is where drugs are cooked. This is where prostitution is conducted. This is where illegal stuff is done. And our police are compromised, and we are going to rescue them. We are going to rescue our leaders. We are going to rescue this country, and we are going to do all that peacefully. And we are calling on our people ukuthi niqhubeke bafowethu nibe nokuthula. Ongafuni ukwenza ukuthula, sicela ngangene eviyweni lethu ahamba yokwenza into ebhedayo ebese funa kuthiwa yenziwe yithini. Uma wena unamandla okwenza into ebhedayo, hamba uyoyenza wedwa. Ungangeni phakathi kwethu. I will be leading 1 million men on the day, and nothing is going to happen to this country. No infrastructure is going to be damaged. Akuzukushiswa lutho, akuzukubulawa lutho. We will be showing the government. We will be saying, government, look at us. We are 1 million men. We are saying one and the same thing. We are saying illegal immigrants must leave this country. Not only our black illegal immigrants, all races must leave this country. Abantu bayazi thina kasihlali kuma suburbs. Abanye bayasibuza ndaba ezithi abathi why ningabathinta abelungu njengamanje njoba sila abekho abelungu la. Asikwazi ukukhuluma ngabelungu ngoba abelungu abekho la. Asihlali thina nabelungu. Every man that is staying in a suburb or in an estate, if he's staying with illegal white people there, he must do his job also. He's a man. He must stand up and fix the country. Everybody must contribute in fixing this country, and everybody must take part in making sure that we restore the greatness of this country. Lelizwe lihle, lelizwe linemali, lelizwe lingakwazi ukunakekela abantu balo kahle ngaphandle kweinkinga. Sicela lokho nje kuphela. Sicela kube nokuthula. Siyayiqala i-countdown. Akhona amamasha amaningi every day from tomorrow. Every day there will be an update ukuthi leading to the 30th what's going on and what's going to happen. Thank you very much. Yeah.
Nganza kwethu siyabonga kakhulu mtaka baba ngolwasemzini ngeke kuthiwe history is more than just a path created by the past. It influences the present and it paves the future. Therefore, I mean to say that the historical marches that we have had in South Africa, led by Ubaba Uphakalo Mthakathi, Jacinta, and myself, and we are saying that the history tells itself that it had been extremely peacefully and no damages, no one was beaten. It's a blue lie that someone was beaten, never. It's a discipline amongst ourselves. Even myself, I've been beaten by my brother here during the march because it's a command. When you are the commander of Zulu army, especially, and then you must discipline your warriors so that they must be in order and so that they must not put a wrong picture out there. Therefore, it's very simple. We are going to convene 9 provinces, form provincial structures in all provinces, and those leadership that are active in different provinces of South Africa. They will also make sure that the people on the ground and in different cities, they also form the structures within their provinces, so that each and every day, starting from tomorrow, there will be all protest against illegal immigrants in all cities, because there are millions and millions of them that are here. We are saying and appealing to our government that whomever trying to hijack our peaceful march in the name of criminals, criminals must be arrested. What happened in Scott was Natal, we condemn it, that it shouldn't be happening. Because even when the court have ruled against the will of the people, they must also learn to appeal the decision of the court, not to go on the street and loot, because that show a very wrong picture. The same picture that is being shown all over the world, preaching the gospel of lies, that we are xenophobic. We are a non-xenophobic country. We are the most welcoming country and the Rainbow Nation country, all of more than any country, a country in Africa. By the way, we are the travelers. We have been in some of the African countries and the rest of the world. If you go to Zimbabwe, if you go to Malawi, more than each and every 5 minutes, 5 kilometers, 5 minutes, there are stops and go, there are roadblocks with police and everywhere, every corner. When you don't have your passport, when you don't have your papers ready, when your car is not have a permit to be in that country, you get a fine, you get arrested, you get deported. And then that's how much they mean about protecting their own countries, whereas they have nothing to show off about their countries. They just put a stick on the road, they say, toke it. Then you give them 20 rand, you pass on. And then these are the terrible things that are happening outside. Now these people are flooding here. One of the police officers, my brother, called and says, these 1 million drugs that were coming from Malawi to South Africa,
1 billion.
1 billion drugs that were coming to South Africa is not the first one. They have been doing it because of the activities that are happening outside the country, done by us. It's a motivation to the police officers. Some of them, they have surrendered, that they are no more committed to crime. We have reminded the law enforcement to remember their oath in the office when they say, I am representing myself with my whole life. I'm under oath that I will protect my nation. I will protect the people on the ground. Because of the laziness of the governments and what we have done as a normal citizen of this country, non-politically, we have achieved a lot. That look at Ghanaians. Ghanaian president have deported their people, taking their people from here. The day after tomorrow, there will be more than 600 people that are going back to Ghana. Ghana have led by example, have set a very good presidency that all the countries, before it's too late, can you please come fetch your own people here? We may not have a relationship with any other country here in Africa if we are going to allow our country to be abused and to be looted by illegal immigrants, and in the name of relations, in the name of you help us during apartheid. That does not work like that. We are commanding our government to make sure that we invest more than what we have to build the walls, and once they're gone, we build the walls and make sure that we rotate police officers that are on the borders, so that we can make sure that all these people that are doing crime, they don't have any room to commit crime, because when they are too comfortable, they will definitely gonna commit crime. We are going to make sure that all the illegal immigrants, they must go by the 30th. 30th is a deadline for all immigrants to go in this country. Can you please don't ever trust this government? This government allows you to flood here. Don't trust politicians. Trust us. We are the people on the ground, and we know what is happening. We know where our drugs are. We know who is printing illegal documents and IDs. We know because people on the ground are trusting us with information. And because our government is benefiting, they are benefiting with the cheap labor of these illegal immigrants. That's number one. And number two, they got mines in different countries. That's why they don't want to break the relationship with these people. We, as a normal citizen of this country, we are benefiting nothing with an association of another African country. This is the last hope of Africa. If it's the last hope of Africa, can we love our country by making sure that we put our flag on our body, we pray with our flag, and we put them on each and every household. You must have a flag before the 30th, the symbol of South Africa. Can we love our country again? I want to thank you, Donald Trump, for loving your people, saying America again, great again. And then you achieve it, and then secondary term, you said American first. Even the police officers are the part of the people that are chasing illegal immigrants that are around United States of America. United States of America is the number one economic hub. Carrying with close to 700 million people. They are going to host the World Cup right now, and our boys are going there to come back soon.
Come back soon, Ndabezitha. I want to emphasize that as South Africans, we are not xenophobic. And as South Africans, and especially as Zulus, we are not tribalistic or pushing tribalism. And as South Africans, we are not built out of hate. But if you are a man, we need to remind our men in South Africa that this country didn't just become what it is now. There are men and women who sacrificed their lives. There are men and women who worked hard and they were paid less to build this country for us as their children. And it will be a shame when we grow up sikhule singamadoda singakwazi ukubaluleka kwezo. Njengamanje sizoshintsha into ephathelene nezwe. Kufanele abantu bazi ukuthi izwe liyini. Amadoda kufanele azi ukuthi izwe liyini. Kungabi mnandi nje insizwa ukuvuka njalo ekseni kudliwa inhloko, kuphuziwe utshwala, kuhanjwe kuyolalwa. Akeke kuphele lokho. Ake uvuke ekseni ucabanga into eyodwa njalo ukuthi konje izwe lami ngalisiza ngani. Asinandaba ke nayo yonke lento ekhulunywa ngabanye abanyanya izwe. Asinandaba nayo yonke lento ekhulunywa ngabanye abaholi abamukela imali esingazazi ukuthi bazozenzani, basiza ubani ngazo emazweni aseAfrika, benikezwe imali, begugumbe nazo bese bebuya bezodelela izwe lase South Africa. We are not xenophobic as South Africans. We are helping our police and our politicians and our leaders to understand that we are the people. We are affected by these situations here. So ingakho ke sisukuma maphoyisa, and we want to thank you maphoyisa. We want to thank you policemen and women for understanding that when you are around us, we are not causing any harm to anyone. And you have been always there. We are always live on our phone. You can't edit live. That's why we are always live, because we are very confident policemen and women that we will never break the law. And we thank you for walking with us the distances, and we thank you for understanding that this is more than just the marches, but is it also a statement towards our government and our leaders that enough is enough. By 30th of June, every illegal foreigner in South Africa, and we are not playing, every foreigner must have left South Africa. If you are married to one, please sort out your papers. If it's your girlfriend or boyfriend, please sort out your papers. Because when we come for that, there will be no time. And it is not a joke. And we are thankful to the South African Defence Force Ndabezitha, who put out a statement to say they are not going to harass us on the 30th, because we have not planned to sabotage the country. We have not planned to sabotage our economy. We have not planned to kill anyone. But we are saying we will demonstrate in large numbers so that the government can see that if they don't listen to this, there's a potential problem during elections. There's a potential problem during business seminars that are conducted in the country, because we want each and every embassy to comment about this. So we want each and every legal foreigner in South Africa. They must tell us what are they doing. Instead of going on social media and insulting us, what are they doing in correcting their brothers and sisters who are here illegally? And Nigerians must be very careful. Nigerians are very bold and ignorant. They must be very careful. And other foreigners from other South African countries, they must disassociate themselves with Nigerians, because Nigerians are the ones who are teaching people to be arrogant, are the ones who are teaching people to look down on South Africans and undermine South Africans. And this is a warning. We are men. We are too strong. We are stronger than them. We are a might. They mustn't seek for war. War is never a solution, because the war doesn't only kill those that are beaten. The war always kills from both sides, and we don't want that. We don't want the war. We do have the war. We have the power. We have men. We have our strategies, but we don't want to use that. We are saying just leave. Just leave the country, leave our sisters, leave our kids, take away your drugs, go feed your babies there. And what kind of men? Now they are showing that they are strong in South Africa. Why would you leave your wife and kids and want to be strong in another man's country? Nigerians must be careful. Actually, Nigerians, we issued on the 24th of May, we issued a statement that they must close all their businesses. So from tomorrow, we'll be checking all businesses that are owned by Nigerians, whether they are closed or not. We will check that up, and we are straightforward with it. We are not going to kill anyone. We are saying, let them close their shops. And Pakistanis and Somalis, they must vacate those spaza shops. Spaza shops belong to the South Africans. All those that are illegal immigrants and are owning saloons, they must vacate those shops. We don't care. You don't tell us what are we going to do after that. It's our country. We will decide. Don't ask us what we are going to do when you are gone. Just leave. This is our country. If we want to leave it hollow, we will leave it hollow. If we want to occupy it, we will occupy it. Don't ask us what we are going to do in our house. It's our house. It's our land. We are men, and we are standing up for this country. And this is not a joke. This is not a joke. All the leaders, Ndabezitha, who are supporting illegal immigrants, all the illegal immigrants in South Africa must go and build houses around that man's house.
Yes.
All the foreigners that are feeling that they are not safe, they must go and build shacks next to the leaders that are saying we must leave foreigners alone. They must just do us this favor and shut up, because we don't have time. We control the narrative of this country now. So we are not joking, and we are smart. We are 10 times smarter than those leaders who are saying we are not smart. And umuntu ohlekisa ngentelezi, that means he doesn't even know what is intelezi. Because I can change police into warriors with my intelezi. Okay? So if you are making a joke with intelezi here to KwaZulu, then you don't know what you are gunning for. Because we are not joking. We are not joking, and that intelezi is the one thing that has done something that even a politician can't do. A musician can't do. No leader can command 5,000 men, and those men don't break anything. It is because of that intelligence. So they must respect that intelligence. And we got another one. That one changes the whole narrative. So they must be very careful. They must be very careful. We thank you very much.
Siyakhuleka nabohlanga. Cha impela sisho elilodwa izwi. Sithi
Thiwe ubani othathela umsebenzi wena nje?
kubonile zingidala lapha. So siyanxusa impela abantu benkosi. Abantu ba South Africa. Siyanxusa ukuthi sihlisa imoya, kodwa umhla ka-30 wona ususemome. Umhla ka-30 ususemome, esikushoyo thina siyasho. Mina kumfazi ogcwele umfaka amakhanya imbumbulu ngiyasho. Zonke izitolo eziselokishini. Mbumbulu ufoleni Adams Makhutha Mlazi ngonyameni. Zonke lezi zitolo lapha. Zwelibovu Pinetown ngasekhaya. Kufanele bese ivalwe mhla 24 zonke. Ngiyakusho lokho. Ngoba yini sibalekela ukula sifuna ukula. Into esifuna sifuna into peaceful, kodwa sifuna ukutshela uhulumeni ngoba ethuli nje. Kuzofika la sicika khona ukuthula. Kuzofika la sicika khona kodwa ngoba ethuli nje akathule njalo. Kodwa uzobona abantu bayadinga. Izwe lisaphethe yona liphethwe yithini izwe manje? Siliphethe ngenkani lelizwe, bayathanda abathandi. Siyalithatha lelizwe ngenkani. kuningi ongazokwenza uma singathandi bangabathi bahlonishwa abantu awukwazi ukuthi ungafuza ungigquluze ekhaya ungidayisele usheve ekhaya siyazi nje umahlebezi manje kulezi insuku plan ukufaka upoison ukudla ukuthi idle ukudla kunopoison ezitolo zabo sihlale kanjani ke nalabantu laba akuthiwa protect emalokishini kodwa still emalokishini ibona bazofita ingane zethu usheve bafita imndeni ethu usheve ufita oma bethu usheve ngoba singasithenga kubona kithi so siveza izitolo ngoba nje ubhuti ufana umthathu umhla ka24 May 24 June sifanele sebeseyivaliwe iningi zonke futhi kahle kahle so nje siyakhuleka impela siyakhulana namaphoyisa siyabonga kakhulu ukuhloniphana asizile ngempi hayi ngoba singenayo impi sinayo iningi kodwa asizile ngempi size ngoxolo ukuthi sicela ukucleana icountry yethu siyabonga
ngani kwethu kusasa sizobe sisehadini sicela umphathi wonke wasehadingi uphume ngobuningi bawo ubheke ehadingi lapha ke kufele emntwini sobe sikhona siyovala lethaqa ihadingi siyolungisa isimo ehadingi masibuya lapho ngolesibili silapha kwaMbonambi insizwa kwaMbonambi sisibizile ukuthi sisondele ke sizolungisa isimo emvelo lokho sibheka ngqo ngomhla ka4 eMpumalanga ngomhla ka4 eMpumalanga kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi siphelele ngobuningi bethu siyolungisa lapha kunezimayini namafemu akugcwele amakwelekwele amaningi lapha ezizozama ukuthi sikhiphe zonke lezi zinto leziyana kunokuyikhopha udula phandle ngakho ke sicela ukulungisa lesi simo nganza kwethu sicela ke ukukhuthaza wonke umuntu olukhona eSouth Africa ukuthi usuku nosuku akube namamashi kusukela kusasa noma ngabe kuphi indawo peacefully yonke into asicizelele lokho ngamabombi asikusaba ukufa asisabe nejele kodwa senzele ukuthi uma ngabe sithetha ngeke sizwakale igadi bingeke silalele kuba besilwa kodwa namuhla silalelile kodwa kunabantu ababa nama-budget imbongolo lezi egcwele uhulumeni sinama-budget okulungisa lesimo lesi kodwa thina sisilungise with a zero budget ngokunyakaza nje sinyusa imqwebu kubona kade sisafuna akubenza ukuthi abantu bengasathandi yebo kunjalo nje ngeke nisiphathele izwe nizofa manje ngoba yonke lento lengculazi egcwele iParliament izofa yonke lezi zinto lezi yebo within 10 years from now all of them they will be gone nizobe nikuphi njengoba okunye kuzaca ngathi iBiltong yami amafinyila uzokhokha ungizwa ngeke mbongolo kodwa
Ndabezitha, we are also calling on our fellow South Africans who are owning businesses, especially the white community, the Indian community, and the Islam community, or the Muslim community. I don't know how it's called. Siyacela, we are pleading with them. White people are part of this country. Indians are part of this country. The problems that we are facing in Phoenix, Indian kids are on drugs. If you go to the clubs there in the night, you can see even the children of pastors, children of top people in big towns. They are also in drugs. If you go to Sentin here, akuma drugs kuyabhubha kula mabhilidi ungalibona lilihle ngaphandle ngaphakathi ingane zeyigwili ziyafa ama drugs. Everybody is affected with this situation that is going on in the country. So that's why sicela wonke umuntu. And also if white people and Indians and Muslim community get involved in this fixing of this country, they are also protecting their businesses. Because if we are seen as one, people of South Africa will understand that this fight is directed to the government. It is not a fight actually. It is a warning to the government to say, government, please fix this, apply these laws, apply these laws of the country, emphasize to every peace officer and police and soldier to keep his oath and look after the country, because asikwazi ukuba nezwe bafowethu kwampunza edlemini and singamadoda and undermine ourselves. Nina insizwe nihlala lapha emahostel, you are hired hitmen to kill us. You are hired hitmen to kill police who are trying to do the job correctly. Stop that nonsense. Yekani insizwe nihlala emahostela, stop that rubbish yokubulala amaphoyisa nokubulala insizwa niqashela ukubulala abakwenu. This country, if it's fixed, if lelizwe lilungiswa kubuya amafemu kubuya wonke umuntu has got a piece of bread in this country. This country is rich. So stop killing police, stop killing one another, stop killing people, stop protecting our illegal foreigners in this country. Because most of you guys who are staying in the hostels, you are the ones who are hitmen. You are the ones who are abducting our people. You are the ones who are kidnapping kids for these foreigners.
You are even hired to kill us. You are
Stop.
just here to sniff us.
And you must know, Uguti, we do have our intelligence. We also get these names, and we know most of the time siyazi ukuthi obani abagada amakwerekwere. Siyazi nokuthi baqhamuka. And there's these security companies that you don't know ukuthi basebenza kuphi. Trust me. When we start facing you or coming to you for that, it won't be easy bafowethu. Because siyanazi la mahostel nikhumbule nihlala nabafowethu la mahostel njoba nibulala abantu nje la mahostel siyazi nokuthi obani ababulala abantu. Every month 15 people are taken down to KZN. They are killed by abantu base KZN. Stop that nonsense. Because singayishintsha thina ekseni nikhumbule ukuthi ningamagwala futhi inkabi ngamagwala nje vele uyabo ningamagwala vele siyanazi ukuthi ningamagwala ngoba anikwazi ukulwe emini njengathi thina silwe emini ilanga libalela njoba silwa we are putting our lives on the line ngamabomu because we want this country right. If indoda ifele into enhle iyaphenduka ibe ingilozi egcekeni ibe ingilozi yezwe wena mawumgodoyi ubulala abantu uzoba ingilozi yokwenzani uzahamba usipokele sambe siwa singazi ukuthi kheqwa yini lapha. So please stop killing police. Stop killing one another. Stop taking money from foreigners. Stop doing these nonsenses in these hostels. Let us fix the country because everybody is going to get a piece of the bread when the country is fixed. Siyacela, white people, Indians and Muslims must also come into the party. They must also help this country. Business people, ShopRite, Uspa and everybody. They must come to the party because as we close these spaza shops, they are benefiting. They mustn't keep quiet like we are not doing anything. They must show up and come and save this country, help to save this country. So we are not promoting any violence. That's why we are calling on our people to stop killing each other and making sure that this country becomes great again. We will be here and we are here. We are going to be here every day until we fix it. Until we win, Bafowethu, this country needs to come back to what it used to be. Sonke, we need to play part. We even know the police. We got screenshots, accounts and monies and messages of police taking money from drug lords. And we don't want to name and shame. We are saying police, stop. Whoever is involved in drug cartels and taking money from criminals and everything, if you're a policeman, you took an oath, stop. Because the time will come. The time will come where we will name and shame, but we don't want to do that at the moment. Sicela nansi insizwa yakithi. Nayi insizwa yakithi. Eyabulawa, eyadutshulwa ngabantu bokufika nansi. Ilwa indaba yama drugs. Woza ngapha bhuti kancane.
Kuza neno mfuthu.
Yeah, kancane nje indaba ezini. Yeah. So ke lensizwa sizoyichaza kuphela ngenxa yokuthi udaba lwayo lusesemaphoyiseni. Sizochaza kuphela into eyenzeke yona ngoba akuvumelekile ukuthi akhulume ngaleyo nto ngenxa yokuthi kungahle konakale icala. Kodwa ke lensizwa undaba ezethu sayiphakamisa ukuthi kufanele siyivakashele le ndawo ehlala kuyona. Yadutshulwa bebabili ise Boksburg. Yadutshulwa bebabili yalokhuza yona kwashona lo nomunye yasinda yona njoba ingakwazi ukuhamba njengamanje. Sifuna ukukhombisa ukuthi for those that are saying we are xenophobic, are we still xenophobic if our brother is limping like this and udutshulwe umuntu okufika? Is that xenophobia? Is that tribalism? I will still want to document these people who can shoot and kill people without being traced. Let us stop that nonsense. Yeah. Ungangeni ecaleni ke mfowethu. Ungangeni ecaleni
Bafowethu sanibona nonke. Ngizoba mfishane nje bafowethu ngoba akunayo ivoice ephakamile bafowethu ningixolele kakhulu ingane zakwethu anginalo izwi eliphezulu. Kwabanye ngiyaphila kwabanye angiphili bafowethu. Bengicela ningilekelele kulesimo engibhekene naso cause nokukhuluma ngisakusaba ukukhuluma phambi kwabantu. Ngisafuneka ngisewumuntu ofunakalayo. Baphelile bafowethu ngaphansi kwalesimo engikusona. Ingakho ngikhetha ukusondela kubafowethu ukuthi ngicela ukuthi bengincedise lapho nalapho engancediseka khona. Noma sengangifica sekulungile kodwa ngiyobe ngifikile ngaphambi kwabafowethu indaba yami ibivelile abafowethu bosala nabo edingita sibaningi. Njoba nikhona nje ngicabanga ukuthi singabatwana bomuntu oyedwa. Mokuhamba mina bazoyilwa abafowethu bakhona. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi ngicine ngivelile phambi kwenu. Ngizocela ukuthi abafowethu bezivakashele eBoksburg. Sinenkinga enkulu kakhulu eBoksburg. Kuhijack izindlu sicela abantu bokuhamba, sicela ama Nigeria, sicela ama drugs yonke into. Size sisabe nokuya engalweni yethu yomthetho. ngezizathu esizibonayo siwumphakathi ukuthi uma uya phambili akuyeki phambili kubuya kube mubi wena. So esicelayo kubafowethu ukuthi sibambisaneni njengoba abafowethu besikhuthazile. Ngicabanga ukuthi khona abangcono ukudlula mina kumele ngabe bala. Kodwa abafowethu nabo ngokucabangela impilo zabo abekho la. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi ngicele ngivelele phambi kwethu. Ngibonge nakubafowethu ukunginikeza ithuba.
Siyabonga kakhulu ngicela siqedile amaphoyisa siyacela ukuthi awatshela amakwerekwethu siyashayana thina niwatshela baphoyisa uphi lo sisinangu sisi wami nibatshela abantu bokufika ukuthi siyashayana siyashayana ngempela futhi kodwa sizokushaya umuntu nibatsheleni ukuthi nisho ningamaphoyisa nithi hey please make our lives easy, just go. Because abantu abathwala umthwalo onzima yinini amaphoyisa ngithi. So asifuni-ke thina kuhlupha amaphoyisa ethu. Thina amaphoyisa, we want you to be peace officers. We don't want you to arrest anyone. We want to bring this country to a position where police will just walk around the streets just to maintain order. We don't want police to arrest people. We don't want police to work hard in chasing criminals. We want police to enjoy their work. We want police to go home and enjoy their lives with their kids and families. Not ukuthi kube yithi South Africans or anybody who's troubling the police. We want that country. We want that country where soldiers will just come and maintain order in the country and face wars that are coming outside of the country. Not when soldiers are deployed to come and fight us as South Africans. No, we don't want that. We are praying for you, police. We love you, police. We want to work with you. We want to make your jobs easy, but also tell ama-foreigners ukuthi thina siyashayana. Ngoba mabelokhu benza ama-video kanje. Benza ama-video kanje bethi asiyindawo, South Africans are lazy, South Africans have small sticks there, and South Africans can't do this, can't do that. Hello, siyashayana. Bayigade leyo ngozi leyo. Inkosi nibusise, siyabonga kakhulu kwi-media, ngiyabonga indaba ezitha, ngizocela goqe angazi noma khona ufuna ukubeka indaba ezitha.